Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you why Cash App isn't working on your iPhone and how to fix it. Guys, whether it's crashing, not loading, or showing errors, these steps will get you back to sending money fast. Let's dive in. Start with your internet connection. Cash App needs strong Wi-Fi or data to work. Open an app like Safari or Instagram. If pages don't load, switch to a better network or reset your router. Next, check for updates. Go to the App Store, search Cash App, and tap Update if it's there. iOS 18 in 2025 can cause glitches with outdated versions. No update? Restart your iPhone. Hold the side button, slide to power off, wait 15 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears temporary bugs that might block Cash App. Still stuck? Cash App's servers might be down. Visit downdetector.com in Safari, type Cash App, and check for outages. If it's down, hang tight. Issues usually resolve within hours. Unique tip: go to iPhone settings, tap General, then iPhone storage, find Cash App, and offload it to clear cache without losing data. Reinstall from the App Store to fix login or payment errors. Another trick: ensure your iPhone's date and time are set to automatic under General settings, as Cash App security can flag mismatches. By the way, Wise is a great alternative to Cash App, and I highly recommend using Wise for all your money transfers within the US and even abroad. Wise has the lowest fees out of all the major banks and payment services. And if you see the reviews online, you'll agree with me. Plus, it's free to create an account. There's a link in the description to sign up to create a free Wise account. If you use that link, you also get a free transfer up to $800 for no fees.